TV.
Welcome to today's America. Round the world, also United States of America. Viewers, our top news today. Democrat one senator, he hostage Democrat party. Joe Manchin, he don't care. He work for lobby and he have a good understanding Republican Party and on Senate. Republican members, they are 50. Democrat, they are 50. But Democrat have a vice president. She can vote. So 51 vote. Now Manchin last almost a year with this bill, he is mess around with president, house leaders, senate leaders and American all state, also his state too. Democrat is not give up, president is not give up this bill, $2 trillion bill for the education, healthcare, climate and elderly citizen, their cares and hospital cares. This is the way this $2 trillion gonna be expense coming years. But only one senator put hostage to American all people. AP, Reuters, New York Times, Washington Post. Their view, what is Manchin one? Media have to ask crystal clear and Manchin have to be say crystal clear to American peoples, also his party, Democrat. But he do, every single day he sends his plan. Every single day is difference. Every single day he is doing something else. This is not way to run the Senate and Congress, White House. President, when he come to power, only one big bill is passed. $2 trillion bill for structural bill in America. Roads and highway, bus, train, sky plane, Mars, everywhere we can invest the $1 trillion bill. This bill for our American healthcare, American life, American livelihood. Joe Manchin from West Virginia. West Virginia is the coal country. They make the electricity by coal. Those people also urged request to Joe Manchin, please vote for Democrat $2 trillion social bill, but he don't say anything, nothing for his people. So viewers, we have to know what is going on Democrat Party and Republican, and what is going on in Joe Manchin. He make America hostage. So American people have to have a voice. Republican, Democrat, everyone want, majority people want this bill to pass. Joe Manchin, if he like to quit from the party or Senate, he can do it. We don't need this kind of senator in the Senate who try to destroy American people's life, American people's. We are Democrat, but we are so-called modern Democrat. If you don't like Democrat, we vote for Republican. And Republican have so many friends. They don't like the person, they vote for Democrat. This is the way America run. Is this guy, he don't want to stay in Democrat, he can quit and we can give them election, or we can switch our party leaders another person. We don't need this kind of human being in the Senate who try to destroy America. Viewers, this is so bad. This human being, he is make America miserable. So our next topic, juries. Jury still do not give the verdict for Daunte Wright and Kim, police officer. They did the justify all witness, defendants and prosecutor. They tell their history. Now jury have to be clear and give the verdict. But jury say, we almost close, but some still is thinking which way this verdict gonna go. And end of the verdict, we don't want any kind of riot, any kind of demonstration, our city and our justice system. America have to get justice. Police officer have to get justice. And defendants, Daunte Wright, he have to, his parents, his family have to get right, justice. So judge, this is fourth day, they send the jury and case to home. Probably tomorrow is going to be verdict or Friday. American people watching this jury and judge what they are doing. Minneapolis mayor, he urged the people, we don't care which way verdict gonna go. We have to see our people, our city, our community, peace and love. Do not make any kind of demonstration. Do not break the law. If anyone broke the law, you gonna get justice. And do not bring any kind of arms, ammunition on demonstration anywhere. Viewers, Daunte Wright's mother is crying on the court. Her speech, and police officer also crying. Police officer was instructor for the police department. And how gun getting hand and shoot it, she do not know. This is her voice. This is also lie, is not truth. Her gun, 9mm gun, how getting her hand from the belt, she do not know. It is mess things. If she have a gun, she can shoot on the leg or somewhere else. The guy can still live and their parents can see and they can talk with their child. But our police officer, shameful. They are carry on the gun. This is our house. They can shoot anywhere, any place. They can kill anybody. They don't care. They don't care this is someone children, someone father, someone mother. And they are human being. We have to respect rule of law. Don't take the life front of their family members. This is the things every day America happening. This domestic violence and brutal police department, they make so many noise in the American field. Cities, state, big state, small state, big cities, small cities, everywhere. Colored people life is dangerous in America. We have a democracy, but for one group. We don't have any democracy for our colored people. So America one day is coming soon to run by colored people. Colored people already run 8 years. This is American 250 years history, and some other day is coming soon. State governing body, also White House, Senate, Congress, everywhere you going to see colored people. Those days is coming. America have a democratic way every place. Police department, FBI, federal government, all department, and law enforcement authority on the field, on the street. Viewers, America is called democratic place. Justice can get it everyone. Let's see what is the Dante mother, father or their family get, and what is Dante life is not coming. Who gonna get justice? People is watching. So please, we are the colored people. Stop the violence, stop the crime, leave them alone, whatever they like to do on the street or on the highway. Just respect rule of law. Do not do any kind of harm things. Life can go away. Please, viewers, our another crime in many Michigan. One of the young boy, he killed so many students, wounded teachers and students by firearms. He did criminal act, and his mother, father is police custody now. He is also police custody. Michigan law underage people cannot be arrested, cannot be sent the jail. Now, dependent's lawyer fighting with that. Say he is the baby. He is not young boy over 18. He is only 15. How come he have to be stay custody of the correction officers or police? Viewers, the person killed so many young boy and wounded so many and killed so many. Now he have to go free. This is the law America have. We see couple of weeks ago, Wisconsin, what's happened. Now we're going to see in the Michigan too. So Rifle Association and fundamental rights, Second Amendment is work in America. Not for other people's lives, not for color people lives, not for religious rights, so many things happening. So America, Justice Department and head of the country, president, they have to make some kind of special law, president order. Every state have to be same rule, regulation. One state underage, one state teenage, this is bad things in America. Criminal act everywhere. White, black, brown, yellow, red, everywhere. Every family, every community, they have a criminal act. So our law enforcement authority, they work hard around the clock, but they have to save people's life, people's business, everything. So we have to respect our law enforcement authority, do their job, help them, and if they hold us respectfully, talk with them. Otherwise, we're going to be having issues and problem. So we don't want a problem. We need clean, happy and healthy human being in America. We see so many people died by shooting. They don't have any criminal act, any crime, nothing, but they are gunshot. This is not rights. This is not a life. Viewers, we are going to short break. Please stay with us.
Millennium TV, bridging communities worldwide. We broadcast diverse international content from Europe, Asia, Africa, and now right here in the USA. Watch us via Roku on your smart TV. Submit your own content to 1530entertainmentllc@gmail.com. Download the Millennium TV app from the App Store to stream our shows anywhere, anytime. Millennium TV.
Viewers, we are back in today's America. America, we have so many issues. Number one, livelihood, our life. Number two, job, food, and healthcare, education. If we don't have those things, we're going to be have a lot of issues. We cannot work and good place. All immigrant coming from whole of the world, they taking the all high pay job, engineer, doctors, they coming from international overseas countries, they taking this all job. If American thinking that way, this is so bad. These days in California, so many issue they make, Republican, GOP. The state governing body, they do not work for poor people. They do not work for middle class people. They work for donation, lobbyist, and high class people. Democrat state governor Devin Nisu, he say is wrong, is not right. We are working for all human being in California. Whatever blame you guys did is wrong. California, everyone can make money. Everyone can go investing. Everyone can take health care, free health care. Everyone can go engineering, doctors, whatever you want is open for everyone. But your education gonna took you, which way you gonna go? Engineers, doctors, or farmer? If you do not do any kind of training, education, you have to go to the farmhouse. Don't fight something else. Make the reality. And California right now, if you have to go restaurant, bar, and whatever is it, you have to show your vaccine card. Otherwise, you cannot get in to the restaurant or booster shot. This is federal law or state implement, and state already started in California. Few months ago, those things also started our New York City, but people's request, leaders request, they stop these things. Probably they're gonna start again. Hopefully, Californian peoples, all color, all race, white, black, brown, yellow, red, everyone, we're gonna be work together, build California. So many business, they take off California, they living from California to Texas. What reason? Lot of tax, and governing body in California, they are not working with reality. They work for money. That's why business, they gone from California. Coming days, so many unemployment coming in California. Reason? All IT like Facebook, YouTube, Microsoft, Apple, they move already from California to Texas. Now Texas people gonna be have a job. Californian gonna be see on the sky, and governing body, they are damaging their state. Hopefully American peoples Californian peoples, they have a voice, and so many peoples, they don't use the vaccination, use the vaccine. This is life savings medicine, and testing every week if you have something. Otherwise you gonna lost yourself, also family, also community. Think about it for somebody else. Do not selfish yourself, America have a free vaccination, free treatment, free everything. What else you guys need? This is so bad, and we are not working with the government, federal government, state government, city government. We work for our mind, our health. Stop your mind and your health. You cannot judge yourself. Someone gonna judge you. Reason, take medication, save your lives, also community life. Viewers, California governing body urge the business owner, stay California. We're gonna review our tax system, and we're gonna help you. Apple and Microsoft, Facebook, Twitter, they sit down all together and they move from all together from California to Texas. Thousands of jobs happening now Texas, and Californian job they are losing. It's so bad. Hopefully federal government or state government, they're going to work together. Viewers, America, our next news. America is so many things we are built. We have researcher, we have a scientist, we have a doctor, we have everything. These days, so many government agencies, they're making so many new things in America. But one of the professor, Harvard University, they work for American government, American cities, American state, but he stolen so many information and selling Chinese government. He is the Chinese agent. So Russia these days, Russia, China, they make lot of agent in America, even Israel. So we have to know who is working for the land of opportunity, America, and who is working for other government. That's why yesterday federal government, federal agent FBI arrest him. He is now in government custody, and he told the government agency he did it. Why he did it? For information, whatever he make and whatever the Harvard University doing, he sell the all information to the Chinese government, Communist Party. So now he gonna get jail time, probably lifelong or 30 years, 40 years. Federal government gonna be knows, or he gonna be stay rest of his life in federal custody, federal jail. This is life. Viewers, hopefully our agencies, federal government, state government, city government, and all education system, city, CUNY and SUNY, they working together. Everywhere we have a researcher, we have a scientist. Every institute in America, federal government, state government help, but we cannot sell our information to other country. This is so bad. One of the best university in this world, Harvard University, and you are the professor of the university, and you are not immigrant from China, or you are not a color people, you are white American, so called. How much money you want, and how much money Chinese government give you? Billions, millions, and you can supply all information. So bad, is wrong. Viewers, we can say our scientists, doctors, engineers, they are best human being. They are working for American government and American people, and we respect them. Hopefully they understood whatever they make, whatever they use, this is American people, American government, not somebody else in the world. We have to be careful. Viewers, we are going to short break again. Please stay with us.
Millennium TV, bridging communities worldwide. We broadcast diverse international content from Europe, Asia, Africa, and now right here in the USA. Watch us via Roku on your smart TV. Submit your own content to 1530entertainmentllc@gmail.com. Download the Millennium TV app from the App Store to stream our shows anywhere, anytime. Millennium TV.
Viewers, we are back. Today's America. American government, this pandemic times, help all American. They don't care you are, we are, white, black, brown. American federal government, state government, city government, still they are helping for pandemic items. Testing, vaccine. Federal government's accounting, they say this pandemic federal government lose $3.4 trillion American peoples for unemployment, business, and pandemic. Testing, vaccine is cost 3.4 trillions. Over 100 millions business owners and agencies, they stolen from 3.4 trillions, hundreds millions stolen from federal government fund to other circle. And they stolen also unemployment. So many people doing fraud, did fraud. Federal government now is investigating. They're gonna found why we are did fraud. We are one family, but we show federal government we are 7-8 family members, and we file independence. Federal government can give $675 or 400 something. This is the money we are collect from by fraud from federal government. This is the way some family member, they have a 4, 5, 6 peoples, and they file independence, and they making thousands of dollars from unemployment. And these days another fraud happening in elderly taking care. Elderly health department, they have a fraud too much. US government investigating everything. Over $87 billion fraud from unemployment. We thinking federal government help us. We never thinking we are did fraud. So this is not a good sign. Who did the fraud? Why we did the fraud? Federal government investigating, and they're going to found it, and they're going to put in the jail, or if you're going to pay them, it's fine. If not, why we did the crime, we have to go to the jail. Viewers, this is Reuters, ABC, CNN, New York Times, Washington Post, and all electronics media in America. They are talking about this message. So our federal agency investigating round the clock, and they have some peoples from Virginia, Florida, and Maryland. They coming to east now, New York, Massachusetts, big state, and so many color people did these things. Is not good, is not healthy. Over 100 millions fraud by medical equipment, healthcare, and testing. Over 100 millions. 87 billions fraud by unemployment. Viewers, is shameful. We thinking our government is dumb. Government is not dumb. Government pay you for taking care. Your health, your food, your wealth. You cannot work. That's why this pandemic time they give the money. Do you think this is the priority? They don't give. Federal government is not going to give up. What is the federal agent going to do? What is the IRS going to do? Where is all federal agency going to do? They're doing their job right now. So hopefully American people, they're going to be understood why we did this kind of crime and what reason we make our country poor. Why? America is the richest country in the world, but this is the way we make money. This is fraud. This money goes from US Treasury and your taxpayer money. Someone taxpayer money, you are doing fraud. We are doing fraud. Hopefully government gonna be give us some kind of big help. Stop the crime, do the right things, do the right job. Go to the federal agency or call 311 what you are did, hopefully government gonna be welcome you. Otherwise, if government agency knock your door, what you gonna do that time? That time you gonna be punished. Viewers, America is wealthy country. America is rule of law country. We thinking American government, state government, city government, federal government is not going to be do anything of this crime. This is the crime, So they are checking everything. Our next news, Nebraska is mineral water problem. So many states, they have a water problem. No water, no clean water for drinks. Las Vegas area, 1,000 miles, hundreds of miles, their land is destroyed by climate. Too much hot. They cannot do any kind of agriculture for the water. All water gone from underneath. All water gone from canal and river. Federal government working right now round the clock, bring the water from the ocean. See, federal government work for us. They try to help the agriculture farmer, American farm, American agriculture. Nebraska, they have the same thing, So hopefully, state government working with federal government, scientists, researcher, they working round the clock, bring the water. Same thing in California. Same thing happened in Arizona, New Mexico. So this few state is burning right now. The weather is burning. They don't have any water to throw out for burning. Government agencies, scientists, they are working round the clock to bring the water from the ocean for the drinks, also for the farmer. Drinks water also gone, They don't have a rain. If rain coming, once a while, heavy rain, and government can save the water to the clean mineral. So they don't have a rain. They have a rain. What place they don't need it, and what place we need it, we don't see the rain. This is good things from God. God make us in this earth. We don't do the right things. We don't do for this climate. We make climate destroy. That's why we get this kind of result, this kind of punishment. Hopefully our government, public and state governing body, they working together to help those state is burning right now for weather. Viewers, our next topic, Chicago mayor. Chicago mayor order all restaurant, bar, fast food, everywhere they have to check person vaccination and testing. They have to check those things, then they can go get into the restaurant. Otherwise they can't. So many people, young people, die Omicron and Delta in Chicago area. So many middle-aged elderly people die. Reason? They don't use the vaccine, they don't use the testing. So this is city special order. Her order, if restaurant business do the business, they have to take care own self and they have to take care public too. So right now they start to checking everywhere in Chicago area, bar, restaurant, club and even fast food. So many people's anger with this kind of law and they gonna do the demonstration. They make the demonstration group. Chicago Police Department and Mayor Office, they cleared Chicago peoples. If you live in Chicago, if you have a residence in Chicago, if you working in Chicago, you have to have a vaccine card, vaccination card and testing result. Otherwise, you gonna be inside. You cannot come outside for the job, for the food, for the work, school, nothing. So that's why public get anger. But they say this is our law. Police department already checking restaurants, club, bar, everywhere. Viewers, our Chicago viewers, we can say Mayor, she doing good job for our health and for community health. City people, young people, everyone. Hopefully, we gonna be learn. If we do not learn, we're not gonna be have a result. We have to learn these things, and then we're gonna get sweet result. If you're gonna be sit down or sleeping in the house like a hostage, yourself, myself, is not healthy. You have to get clean air outside, job, market, everywhere. You have to have a vaccination. Otherwise, no, you gonna be under custody yourself. Viewers, why we don't use the government rule of law? We have to respect government rule of law. City, state, federal. City police is not our enemy. They say you can go club, you can go bar, you can go restaurant, everywhere. This is, you're going to enjoy yourself. You're going to expense your money. We don't have anything to do with that. But you have to have only one thing, two things. You have to have 100% vaccination and booster. If you have a booster shot, fine. Or you have to have a testing. This is good things police department and mayor office did in Chicago area. Some people get anger. This is America. We can get anger. We can do lot of things, but we cannot destroy ourselves, our community, our people. Viewers, today's our time is end. Please watch Millennium TV 24 and Today's America. We are on in iOS and all Android device and all smart TVs. Viewers, we are platform also Amazon Fire TV, Roku TV, Apple TV and all smart TVs. Viewers, in-house, studio, outside, domestic, international. Our friends and colleagues working round the clock for us, for you. Please watch Millennium News 24. We are grateful our friends and colleagues. Our website www.millenniumnews24.com, also www.millenniumtv24.com. Whatever you are, please stay, peace, love, enjoy. Goodbye and take care.